At the point when BMW Motorrad disclosed its K1600B in October 2016, the goals were clear: go up against the well-known US bagger advertise. The K1600B, a relative of the K1600 GT and GTL, immediately earned our regard after a couple of miles of riding. For 2018, BMW is discharging a Grand America rendition of the K1600B, a full-dressed visiting variant of the B with styling and ergonomic signs went for the American visiting gathering of people. Following are the fundamental quick actualities of the 2018 BMW K1600 Grand America. 1. This bicycle is fundamentally the same as the granddaddy of all extravagance visiting models, the K1600 GTL, yet with unpretentious accents that take into account the American rider. BMW portrays it as a real, agreeable outline with progressively lengthened sideline that inclines to the back. 2. BMW says the plan of the Grand America was propelled by US custom bicycles. That incorporates slide joining into the best and side cases, all LED, obviously. 3. American cruising is nothing without forward controls. The BMW K1600 Grand America has feed-forward wood planks for long separate travel. Traveler planks of flooring are accessible as an alternative. 4. The BMW K1600 Grand America lands in two completions, Black Storm Metallic, and the style package, Black Storm Metallic, Austin Yellow Metallic. The last highlights chrome accents and custom badging on the gas tank. 5. Because of an updated raised outline, the Traveler Situate is brought down by 2.75 inches. 6. All else is gotten from the BMW K1600B. The K1600B includes the 1649cc inline 6-chamber that produces 160 strength at 7,750 revolutions per minute and 129 feet-per-pound of torque at 5,250 revolutions per minute. The K1600B, an immediate go for the Honda Goldwing F6B, was intended to engage the American bagger advertise, and is intended to be low and smooth. The BMW bagger arrives standard with 3 riding modes: rain, road, and dynamic. Dynamic traction control, cornering improved essential ABS Pro, warmed seats and handholds, control flexible windshield, voyage control, multi-function show with onboard PC, and dynamic electronic suspension adjustment, DESA, with road and cruise damping modes. Accessible as choices are Gear Shift Assist Pro, Reverse Assist, Hill Start Control, versatile front light, and planks of flooring. Like other BMW cruiser models, purchasers can improve the K1600B with alternative bundles that include Well-being Bundle, Adaptive Front Lamp, Tire Weight Screen, and Hill Start Control. Solace Bundle, Quick Shifter, Focal Locking Framework, Hostile to Burglary Alert, Keyless Ride, and LED Assistant Lights. Visiting Package, Reverse Help, GPS Readiness, and Sound Framework with Radio, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth.